Stop frying eggs. Are you still eating boring fried eggs, tired of oil splattering everywhere, and your eggs losing their natural soft, creamy texture? Let me share with you an incredibly simple and easy tip for making silky smooth eggs so simple that even a beginner in the kitchen can do it at home, helping you create silky smooth, visually appealing poached eggs just like those in a 5-star restaurant. First, prepare a tray of fresh chicken eggs. Then, remove the baking tray from the air fryer. Next, prepare 4 glass bowls and place them on the tray. Pour enough water into each bowl to fill it about halfway. Then add a pinch of salt to each bowl and stir until it dissolves completely. Adding salt helps stabilize the water environment, which in turn helps the egg whites maintain a better texture when steamed, preventing them from separating or becoming runny. Next, crack each egg into its own bowl. When cracking, do so gently to avoid breaking the yolk. At this point, the whites and yolks will naturally spread evenly in the bowl, helping the eggs retain a nice, round, and neat shape after cooking. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, place the baking tray into the air fryer. The optimal cooking time is approximately 10 to 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. At this point, the egg whites will cook evenly, becoming soft and smooth, enveloping the yolk inside. While waiting, first, I'll place an electric kettle onto its base. Then carefully pour 200 milliliters of water into the kettle and switch it on to start heating. Once the water is fully boiled, I'll carefully pour the hot water from the kettle into the glass bowl. Next, I'll measure about 75 milliliters of vinegar in a measuring cup. Then slowly pour it into the bowl of hot water. After that, I'll gently stir the mixture with a spoon until everything is well combined. Next, I'll gently crack 5 eggs into the bowl one by one, being very careful to keep the yolks intact and prevent them from breaking. I let the eggs soak in the vinegar for about 2 minutes. The vinegar helps the egg whites firm up slightly and set better, keeping the eggs neat and intact, preventing them from separating, and resulting in a smooth, restaurant-quality finish. By now, 10 minutes have passed. I remove the baking tray from the air fryer and carefully use oven mitts to lift each bowl off the tray. Next, I place the large glass bowl containing 5 eggs back onto the baking tray and put them back into the air fryer to cook. This time, the cooking time is about 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Ensuring the whites cook evenly yet remain soft and smooth without drying out at the edges. Returning to the first batch of poached eggs, I use a spoon to gently run along the edge of the bowl, and the eggs come out very easily. The result is perfectly round, visually appealing eggs with a soft, smooth white enveloping the yolk inside. When cut open, the yolk is smooth and creamy, slowly oozing out rich and incredibly tempting, just like a perfect poached egg made right at home. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the bowl of eggs from the air fryer. Use a spoon to gently lift each egg out, drain them, and place them on a plate. Perfectly poached eggs will have a smooth, silky white that evenly envelops the yolk without any stringiness or separation. It's wonderful to connect with you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When cut open, the yolk inside will be slightly runny, rich, and incredibly tempting. You can enjoy the poached eggs with bread, salad, or pair them with other dishes to enhance the flavor. With just a few simple steps, you can make restaurant-quality poached eggs right at home. Next, I prepare 5 silicone molds and place them in the air fryer tray. Then, I mix a small amount of clean water with ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar in a measuring cup, stirring well with a spoon. If you want your eggs to taste better, try adding a little soy sauce or a pinch of pepper. Simple, but surprisingly delicious. After that, I pour a little of this mixture into the bottom of each mold. This step is very important. It creates moisture during cooking, helps the egg whites set gently, and prevents the eggs from sticking to the molds. Now, I crack 1 egg into each silicone mold. Be gentle when cracking the eggs, so the yolks stay intact and don't break. Using a heart-shaped silicone mold will give your poached eggs a beautifully neat and eye-catching shape, perfect for making your dish look extra special on camera. You can also get creative by using silicone molds in other fun shapes to make your eggs even more unique and visually appealing. Once I've cracked 5 eggs into the mold, I carefully lift the tray and slide it into the air fryer, getting everything ready for perfectly cooked eggs. I cook them in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting, let's move on to the second dish. At this point, the 10 minutes are up. I carefully remove the eggs in the silicone molds from the air fryer. Once the eggs have cooled, removing them is very easy. Just gently press around the edges of the silicone molds. If you want beautifully shaped, soft, and delicious eggs like this, give this method a try. I'm sure you'll love it. As you can see, silicone molds give the eggs a really beautiful and eye-catching shape. You can also experiment with other cooking methods like boiling or steaming to get different textures. And when you pair them with fun-shaped molds, they turn into something truly exciting. I'm sure your kids will absolutely love these. And that's not all. This is a simple way to make everyday meals more fun and creative. Feel free to mix in your favorite ingredients like vegetables, cheese, or even a bit of ham to make each serving unique. So, with just 3 simple tips, you can now make perfectly soft, smooth, and visually appealing poached eggs that taste just like those from a restaurant right in your own home. Which method do you prefer? Poaching in a bowl or using vinegar? Or do you have any better tips to share? Leave a comment below so we can discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family so everyone can make these perfect poached eggs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.